So the idea is that that whole watershed has function based on what gets done in any local place. And the more that you can work throughout the watershed and recognize the places that are most important for the most species, whether they're fish or terrestrial animals, the condition of the forests, the better off everything's going to be. So taking that watershed view allows you to look across the landscape and sort of try to make priorities and say, okay, well, this tributary over here is producing a significant portion of all the steelhead in the whole system. So we'll prioritize that for restoration because that's where we're going to get the most upward lift in terms of the work that we can do. And sort of, people say bang for the buck, but that's too loud and too violent a metaphor.